So this is just gonna be a short video on how to build a custom sprocket. So what you're gonna need is Fusion 360. You can get this free from their website. And then you're gonna need the Sprocket Master add-on. I'll link this in the description. You can download it. You're gonna extract this. Once you extract it, you're gonna come to Fusion 360 and over to Utilities. And then go into Add-ins, Scripts and Add-ins. And then you're gonna push on this little green plus right here. When it opens up, you're gonna go over to extract that, go into the folder, and then click on the second one. And you can see down here, My Scripts, and it shows Sprocket. You're gonna click on that and push Run. So now you're gonna want to put in the dimensions of the sprocket. So I'm gonna be running a 530 chain. So I put in 625. That's the dimension. It's a pitch of a 530 chain. And then I'm putting the number of teeth. So I'm gonna be building a 60 tooth. And the roller diameter is gonna be 0.4. Sprocket thickness. We're gonna do it barely thinner than the chain is. We go with like 313.313. Give this okay. So we go over to solid up here. We're gonna go to create sketch, and then select the face of the sprocket. You can add whatever holes you need. So this is gonna be, let's just say I'm building this for one of my drive spools. We'd go around 130 millimeters. That's the bolt hole circle. You want to create a point right here. I'm going to create a point on this circle. Create again. Circular pattern. Objects. This is where you want to select the point you already made. And then the center point is just the center. Right, how many holes you want. I'm going to need 6. Push OK. Make these whatever size. Go with 3/8. Now I'm just gonna make the center, say about 110 millimeters. And then we're gonna go up here to solid, top left hand corner. We're gonna go over to extrude. You can select all the holes, all the pieces you don't want. Just extrude that through the sprocket so it pops out of the sprocket. And then if you want to lighten up, you can go back into the sketch and select the face of it again. Say it once. circles cut out of it. Big circle. Get another point. Circular pattern. Select on the object. Or select center point, and then select the center point. And stick in. Let's go with 8. I need that can just pick a random size. Let's go with 2 inches. We can extrude those. And now we have the sprocket. Come down here to export. Export your design. You want to select step file. Export it. Let's export complete so we can go out of this. Load it. Okay, now the thickness is what's going to matter a lot. This 520 chain, 530 chain is the exact same pitch. The only difference is the thickness of the sprocket. So when you select metals, we don't need anything fancy. We just need normal hot rolled steel. And for 530 chain, you're going to want to select this dot 313 for the 8mm. You can see that $84, but this sprocket's like more than a foot in diameter. It's a pretty big sprocket. If you see 2 of them, they're 53 each. Yeah, the smaller one's going to cost a lot less, and if it's 520 chain, yeah, $75. This is a pretty big sprocket. But yeah, it's just a super easy way to build a sprocket. I was looking around for a while, a lot of websites trying to find how to build a custom sprocket, and I came across this tool. It's just a free tool on GitHub. Works really nice. So this is one of the sprockets that I custom designed. So one thing you're gonna want to remember is to take this and make these teeth a little more pointy. With a grinder or something, go around. See on a one I bought on eBay. See the teeth are pointed a little. You just want to go around with a grinder and do that to hold these teeth, or else your chain's gonna try to pop off and break your chain and stuff.